This is fat iron. What does it do? Take a wild guess. Exactly! It irons off your fat, and in only 15 minutes a day. But that's not all. It also irons those stretch marks and saggy skin you get after a diet. And the best thing, it's FDA cleared and it really works. See for yourself. How does fat iron work? Well, just like the iron you know does, a regular iron removes the wrinkles from your clothes by slowly going over them with heat. Fat iron was created with the same concept minus the burning heat. It works to strengthen and tone muscles while smoothing and firming the deeper layers of the skin to give you a beautiful, young, and sculpted look. During the clinical test, the efficiency of fat iron was undeniable. 90% reported fat dimples to be less apparent. 88% reported firmer looking and feeling skin. 89% reported smoother skin. And 89% felt more confident after using fat iron. Now, you could turn to clinical non-surgical solutions because they also really work, but then you'd just be paying thousands of dollars for them to add wires, a massive stand, and a fancy screen to a device that will get you the same results. Fat iron uses the same technology, but instead of expensive bulky machinery, it's affordable, comfortable, for home use, and only requires 15 minutes a day. That's right, only 15 minutes a day. We know you want to hear the science behind it, so let's get to the deeper layer, shall we? Fat iron is the only device combining radiofrequency electromuscle stimulation and photon red light therapy, 3 powerful clinically proven technologies that help eliminate stubborn fat and remove pesky stretch marks. First, the radiofrequency heats up and gradually destroys targeted fat cells, reducing fat levels. Electromuscle stimulation then sends gentle pulses to firm and tone the muscles while tightening your skin. We even added a special fitness mode that mimics a full fitness workout without the effort. Fat iron will change automatically from warm-up to toning to cool down, giving you similar results as in the gym. Finally, the photon red light therapy, a technology also used by NASA, uses specific wavelengths to help increase cell renewal, remove stretch marks, and body wrinkles. These energy sources work together to stimulate collagen and elastin, 2 proteins which are key to rejuvenating your skin, making it look firm and young. Fat iron is the only FDA-approved home-use product that is certified to destroy fat cells, minimize wrinkles, cellulite and stretch marks, and improve the appearance of your skin. All of that while being safe, painless, and affordable. If you want to start ironing your fat and wrinkles off, get your fat iron now!